Hi everybody, we've got one of the Prado 250 power starters fitted to this vehicle. They are available across the range. I'll just give you a quick run through. False floor, which is infinity compatible, so you can click in drawer modules, slides, wing kits and so on either side. Now this kit particularly comprises of the high deck slide, slim drawer, prep table at the front end, very handy. It comes with a plug and play loom that wires up the DriveTech power station. Now the station has just under 100 amp hour of battery life. It will charge from the vehicle. It has a solar input. You can charge it by AC rapid charge in less than an hour. It's got wireless and Bluetooth control, so you can see and check and change parameters on the device. It's got a touch screen as well, so you've got all access to your capacities and so on. Now the beauty is it's also got 3 AC outlets, which is on the other side at 2,400 watts, so quite significant. It allows you to run devices like cooktops, coffee machines and all that sort of stuff quite successfully. Now with the power starter kit, just roll this in here so we can see, we include the left hand side wing kit with power outlet connected to the power station at the front. Has 2 USB-C 30 amp rapid charge ports there, obviously lift out lid for access to parts down the side there. Now this is all a plug and play unit, so this whole system will take you less than an hour to fit. You can do it at home. There is no special tools, video on how to fit the plug and play loom. The power station is portable, so it doesn't have to stay in. You can take it out to campsite, you can take your fridge out. Again, infinity, click, and that whole slide, fridge and charging system will clip out and you're back to flat floor within a matter of seconds. It's available across the range. We've got Prado 250, Land Cruiser 300, 200, MUX, Everest, all available on the website lawson automotive.com.au.